Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage, and today is part 3 of the Traxxas slash kit build. And in the first 2 episodes, we assembled the rear transmission and also the shocks. So today, what we are going to start with is attaching the camber links to the rear shock tower. So I need to go into the rear suspension bag. Okay, the camber links are in there. And then the rear shock tower and the screws. There's a lot of screws in here. Okay. So let's get the camber links out. Nope, not link. There. 1, 2. Okay, I'll put the rest of this to the side. We will need it later. And then we have the screws. Let's get the screws. Okay, so it is a 3 by 15 millimeter screw. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, but I think it's this one. And then there should be one more in here. Yeah, right there. And this one. Aha! Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Out. They're the same? Yeah, they're the same, and I don't think there are any other 2 screws like that. Nope, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna put those off to the side. Okay, so does it matter which way it goes? No, okay. Well, like obviously, you know, it doesn't matter. It matters outside and inside, but it doesn't matter which actual camber link I use. I don't think so. So yeah, we're just gonna attach these. So we're gonna put the side that's like, you could see it sticking out right here. That's gonna go towards the outside, and then it goes into the bottom hole on the shock tower. Does it matter which way the shock tower goes? I don't think so either. Oh wait, yeah, it does. Okay, yeah. So the part that the shock mounts, where it's coming out the back, you're gonna put it on the opposite side, the flush side. You're gonna put these camber links on that side. So I'm just gonna screw these in real quick. Alright, so I have the 2 camber links screwed on. So next page. And now we are gonna attach this to the transmission. So like this. It's gonna turn around like this, and then I'll put these through here. And put that right there. So it should go just like that. So it's gonna be the 3 by 12 millimeter button head screws. I'm gonna just pour these out to the side because we're gonna use them all right now. So Okay, so I have the two 3x12mm button head screws, and we are just gonna put these in. I'm gonna just set it in there with my needle nose pliers. There we go. Alright, my bad, guys. I guess I forgot to press record last time I stopped. But, so you guys didn't catch me. It was just basically putting on the body mount posts. And then I'm starting to put on the A-arms. I haven't screwed them in yet. Just put the pins in, and I'm about to screw them on. Sorry, I forgot to press record. But let's tighten up these pins for the A-arms. Okay, that A-arm is in. Both of the A-arms are good to go. Alright, so both of the A-arms are good to go. Now we're going to go and assemble outer drive shafts and hub. So, going to their rear suspension, get the two axle carriers, and then the two drive shafts right here with the hubs, and then two of the bearings, well, 4 bearings actually, sorry, 4 bearings. What else do I need? Oh, the pins, obviously the axle pins for the wheel hex, which are right here, and then the wheel hexes, which are right there, and the washers. Okay, so there's 2 different kinds of washers. There's a thinner one and a thicker one. Let me see if I will even be able to tell the difference. Okay, the last washer does not want to come out. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference. I haven't even I just dropped them on the page and you could tell the difference already. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. You'll be able to tell the difference. Alright, so we're gonna get axle carriers. Are they the same, or are they directional? Nope. Okay, I think they're the same. So just gonna put a bearing on each side of the axle carrier. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay. Sorry, it's just in the way. Put that off to the side for now. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna put a thinner washer on the actual axle, or the out drive shaft, sorry, on the axle, whatever, same thing. So you're gonna put the thinner washer on this, Then you're going to put the axle carrier on. Then you're going to put a thicker washer after you put on the axle carrier, like that. And then you're going to put the pin in, and then and then you're going to put on the wheel hex. So, and then you want to hear it snap. There we go. So there, it snapped, and that is assembled right there. So I'm gonna get the other one done real quick. Alright, so now both of these are assembled, and we are gonna move on to the next page. Next page is we're gonna install outer drive shaft assemblies. So we're gonna get this, face it towards us like this. Then we are gonna put in one drive shaft on one side, like that, and mount that up like that. So I'm gonna flip it around so it's easier for me. Alright, so that's in there. And then what you're also gonna do is from the back side. Okay, so if it's like this. Okay, so from this side, you're gonna get your other screw pin right here, the shorter one, 3 by 28 millimeter, and you're gonna put it in the bottom hole of the axle carrier. So let's do that. There's going through the bottom hole. Oh, and that's one side done. Now I'm gonna head over. I'm just gonna go and do this side real quick. Okay, we have the drive shafts in, and everything is turning, spinning, working. Cool, cool. All right, now we're gonna go and install the rear skid plate on the bottom of the transmission case. So face it like that. Rear skid. So that's gonna go like this. Boom. So we're gonna need 2 of these two, and then these 3. 4, sorry, 4. These 4. Okay. And so it's just gonna be the 4 by 12 millimeter counter sunk, 4 of them, and then the 3 by 12 millimeter countersunk. So you're just gonna put them obviously where they go. So I'm just gonna tighten these up real quick. Okay, we got the rear skid plate on. Now we are going to go to the wheelie bar mount. Get that out of the bag. So let's install that right there. First. There we go. So it just slides on to the chassis, well, not to the chassis, but the rear of the transmission. Actually, the skid plate slides onto the skid plate, and then you're gonna use the 2 long screws and a 3 by 12 millimeter screw. So the longest screw goes this is like upside down. Why do they do this upside down? So the longest screw goes here, right? This is the longest screw, right? Yeah. I have installed one of these before. I just can't really remember. And the longest screw goes there. Next longest screw goes here. And then the other 12 millimeter goes on the other side over here. So let's tighten those up real quick. Okay, the wheelie bar mount is all good to go. Now we are gonna go and install the rear bumper. So first I need to install the rear bumper brace. So does it go like that? Yeah, okay. So I need to install this piece onto this piece with 2 3 by 15 millimeters. Okay, I got the rear bumper brace on. Now we are gonna attach it to the wheelie bar mount. All right, guys, that is the rear bumper installed, and I think that is gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.